There's that plane going over our house. Give me a couple of seconds. Give me a minute. It's just so now he's just passing north. That was a Cargolux Boeing 747 LXKCL. So actually I'm just going to switch to flight radar, so hold on a second. Alright, there we go. Pass over Malamo Grom. Went over side of Bally Corner, was going over Bally Mall. So yep, that's the flight number. Yeah, Luxembourg to Atlanta. Boeing 747. Well, that's Luxembourg's flag. Well, it does look like the Netherlands flag. So it's flying at 32,000 feet. Like it says, reg LXKCL. And I didn't get to film the first one. There was actually a first one that came over. Yeah, you can see there was a first one came in. I'll show you the first one. That was the one that you didn't get to see, so I'm showing it now. So Luxembourg, that's off to Chicago, the other one's off to Atlanta. I'm not check the reg. LXICL, that's going to 30,000, so they're both going to, what's the speed? 557 miles per hour. So let's check the speed of the second one. That's going at 543 miles per hour, so well, that's nice. So time 21:29 p.m. the 7th of May 2022.